got it. Guys, I got it. So, if you guys don't know, AI the Great has collaborated with the very infamous Brown Sugar Babe for her 3 iconic renditions of her perfumes, now in body oils. I was like, oh, ish. So I gotta tell you, all right? So I was one of the very selected few to like get this beforehand. And I was like, oh, okay. First of all, I didn't know what it was. Let's back it up. I didn't know what it was because she was just like, hey, I'm doing a little something. Give me your address. And child, I gave her my government and my home address, child. I wasn't missing up. I was like, screw that P.O. box. Send it to the house. So I was like, all right, cool. And then I didn't hear anything about it. So I kind of just not really forgot about it, but I was just like, okay, it happens when it happens, you know, because I don't get too wrapped up when people say, oh, you know, we're going to send you something. I'm like, okay, that's just for everybody, right? So ironically enough, right, I was on the Brown Sugar Babe website and like I was putting things into my cart and all of a sudden I got a email saying your order is shipped. I said, I didn't do that. Fraud, scam, like what's going on? And this is why reading is fundamental, because if I had read the email, it said AI. So I even like texted her. I was like, girl, uh-oh. My bad. Like, so I ended up getting all 3 of these and I'm gonna tell you my thoughts on them. But if you're new here, hey, I'm Chi Chi and I talk about all things lavish but logical. So if that's your sort of thing, go ahead, subscribe, make some friends in the comment section and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I do have to give a huge thank you to AI and Brown Sugar Babe. This is the first time I ever received like something before a launch. I was like, oh, look at me, y'all. Like, I'm a whole ass creator. So I'm like, is this what other people feel? Because this was my first time and I was like, oh, I was extra excited, okay? So clearly I still am excited. But yeah, it was just a milestone for me personally. So I was just like, okay, your girl is doing things. I know people, but I know y'all not here for all that. Y'all want to know about the actual fragrances. Now, what I will preface this video by saying is, this isn't about whether I like it. I do like all the oils. Spoiler alert. I do like them all. This is how closely to the perfume does it get? That's what I'm trying to do. And plus, Brown Sugar Babe is put in a very unique position because unlike all of their other releases, minus the things that they've created, they actually have the person who created the original fragrance. So I feel like y'all were at an advantage. So these needed to come real close. Like my expectations were extremely high, okay? So that's how I'm grading the oils, okay? So we're gonna start from the latest to the greatest, okay? So the first oil we have is Endless Love. And this is supposed to be Amour Infinite. And this was also the first one I decided to try. So I immediately, when you open up each one of the oils, you can smell it. And I was just like, okay, we're off to a good start. So when I put this on, I was like, yep, she ranks in the 97 percentile. 97%. You get that white chocolate goodness. You get the floral, you get the raspberry berries. It's so good, so good. And I was just like, oh my gosh. It's so funny because like I was wearing this on, I had long sleeves on the first time I wore this, right? I kid you not, I can smell it through my clothing. I was like, yes, this is why you spend the $65 on this. Oh, and just so you know, this does come in a 2-ounce option. I believe that is $29, just in case you don't want to spend the whole kit and caboodle on it. This smells 90s. All of them gonna be 90 percentile. But I was just like, oh my gosh, this one was purring like a kitten. I was just like, wow, like you really did that. And for me, that one was just like, whoa. And you know, you didn't smell any of the carrier oils, which is why I do like Brown Sugar Babe, because you know, sometimes you don't want to be smelling the actual almond oil or the jojoba oil. I don't get that. I get pure fragrance. And it smells so good. So again, this is white chocolate and berries. It's absolutely divine. If you want to know more about Amour Infinite, I'll link that video bang bang up top. And of course, all of the videos I will have in the description box for your viewing pleasure. Next, we have Perfect Pear, and this is supposed to smell like Amorous Intense. Now, remember when I did my video on this, Amorous Intense had a very sharp pear, almost applesaucy, Jolly Rancher vibe going on. So I was, again, a little bit nervous when it came to Perfect Pear. So when I put this one on, I was like, I'm not really smelling her, right? And then she said, give me a minute. Let me warm up to your body, okay? Okay. She did the washing machine, like, wait a minute. And then you gotta do the washing machine. I watched Selena, okay? So that's my ish. I was waiting, I was like, cause I was like, I'm not really smelling her the way Endless Love was. Cause Endless Love was bumping. This one, she took a second. She needed to warm up a little bit, but once she warms up on the skin, then she shows up. Now, the thing that I actually really did like about Perfect Pear is that the pear in it isn't as sharp to my nose as it is in Amorous Intense. Yeah, like I still get that sharpness. This one, they kind of smoothed it out. They curved it just a little bit, but you don't lose the essence that is this fragrance. And quite frankly, I actually prefer the oil just a bit more. So this one is like 91%, I would say. But I do enjoy the softness of this because it's not as sharp. And if you have Amorous Intense, you understand that like that sharp like pucker of like a Jolly Rancher almost. This doesn't have that. It's like you already, you know how you pop the Jolly Rancher and you get that real quick, but like after like a few minutes, like it kind of just smooths out. That's what this is. That's what happens with that beautiful pear. Still very edible, just good desserts. You're just smelling like good desserts. And it's just like, yes, I actually really, really prefer the oil. So all of my layering combinations and things like that, I cannot wait to revisit because I needed this oil. I totally needed it because like my layering combinations are cool, but I have been liking putting like some sort of matching note or coordinating note in a body oil form. So this one, I was just like, yes. I just love how soft like that pear just shaped out, you know, because depending on your nose and if you really liked that sharpness from the actual perfume, like I know that was people's complaints when I did see reviews. It's like, it's a little sharp, and I get that, but you don't get that sharpness. They actually perfected it, and I'm just like, yes, y'all did that one. Y'all did that one. Like, can we get a re-release of the perfume, but with this pear? Because, yeah, that one, fantastic. All right, and finally, we got Big Mama herself, the Stallion. We have Brown Bananas Foster, and that's supposed to be the #1 stunner, Ambrosia Imperiale. Now this one, I was meticulously grading because this is my favorite. As you can see, I don't play games when it comes to this. This is top 10 for life. So you gotta come hard. You got to come hard with this one. So I was like, did you come through, mama? Did you come through? Pause for the dramatics. Like, did you really doubt? Did you really doubt how they did it? I do not know. But then again, you have the source right there. So I was just like, you nailed it. Fucking nailed it. You nailed it. Oh, fucking God. Like, not only did you like capture lightning in a bottle, but you did it twice. Like, how? This one, fantastic. Again, this is probably, hold on, gotta give it a score. You get more saffron in the perfume, okay? So saffron like taken out, but shit, I don't know what they substitute. No substitutions. This one was a 99, yeah, 99.8%. You are the father. You are the father. Yeah, they did that one. They did that one. I had the highest hopes for that one. And that's why I wanted to try that one last, because I was like, if this one don't pull through like I needed to, AI knows I can't lie about things. I'm very, very happy. Very, very happy with this collection. Like, they literally hit the mark with this one. And I'm just thoroughly and utterly satisfied. So if you did miss out on the NAVITUS releases, or it's just a little bit out of your price point, I would suggest getting the 2-ounce bottle. But, you know, dip your toe into it a little bit. See if you actually like the fragrance, and then you can upgrade to the 4-ounce bottles. And even if you wanted to go to NAVITUS and buy the perfume, yeah, but you're really not missing anything with the body oils. I think AI did another fantastic collaboration, and longevity is there. I completely forgot to talk about longevity. Longevity is there. She goes through clothes, all 3 of the oils. I had long sleeve shirts on when I tested all of them. I couldn't test them for a long time, but every time I wore them at least 3 times each. Every time I can smell it through my clothes. I did it paired with the perfumes. I did it on its own, and I did it under other things. I 1000%, 1000%. Oh my gosh. Like, how did they do it? I don't know how long y'all really worked on these, but you really nailed it. You really did. But again, y'all had the home court advantage, which I was just like, y'all can't miss. Y'all really can't. The recipe maker is right there. Like, you can't miss it. So I'm very, very, very happy that you guys reached out to me. So I'm very, very happy that I have these in my collection. I do have a Brown Sugar Babe haul coming up because, you know, I had to buy some things from Black Friday. So I will be doing that. Congratulations again, AI and Brown Sugar Babe. But check out some of my other videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.